So I guess that it's true. Time can heal the words of wounds and the cliches I know seem so commonplace. And I saw you as just one in the dark of defense in the bar, baby boy, honey bee. Gotta love the way you look at me. It's too hard to describe this in a way that feels honest. But even when I'm crying, I love you, baby, I promise. I hope I never see what your face looks like. A face that's scared that I could spend my whole life knowing. Here's to hoping. Pick me up, walk me home, and it feels like I need a home sticky feet.